The blue whale, Earth's largest animal, can weigh up to 200 tons. 2. Seahorses are one of the few species where males give birth. 3. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, 1 to the rest of the body. 4. Dolphins use echolocation to navigate and find food. 5. The lion's mane jellyfish has tentacles that can stretch over 100 feet. 6. Clownfish, like Nemo, change genders. Males become females if needed. 7. Electric eels can generate shocks of up to 600 volts for defense and hunting. 8. The leatherback sea turtle is the largest turtle and a champion swimmer. 9. Hammerhead sharks have 360-degree vision due to their unique head shape. 10. The mimic octopus can imitate various marine animals to avoid predators.